Hello, thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and traditional Syrian recipe. It's called Tسقية Zait, and we usually eat this for breakfast, but you can have it any time of the day. And these are our ingredients. I have here 2 cans of garbanzo beans, and we're going to need salt, allspice, paprika, and ground cumin. I have here about 4 pita breads that I cut up into pieces like this. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and we're gonna need some olive oil. I drained and rinsed our garbanzo beans and I put them in a pot. I added about 6 cups of water and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on medium heat. So as soon as it comes to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce or fatteh. So we're gonna fill our blender up with the garbanzo bean water, just like this. Please be careful, it's very hot, and please be careful when you turn on the blender, because sometimes if you overfill it, it will splash, and I don't want anyone burning themselves. So start your blender on medium to low heat. I went ahead and added half a teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. And then we are going to add our garlic, and then we will add our olive oil. I'm adding about half a cup of olive oil, and then we are going to add our baking soda right after. So the baking soda mixes the oil and the other ingredients together, because usually oil separates. The baking soda is what makes it a milky sauce, as you can see. So now, since we have our sauce ready, we're gonna go ahead and put this together. I'm adding all the garbanzo beans on top of the bread without any of the garbanzo bean water. And we're gonna spread them out just like this. Then we are going to pour in our sauce that we just made. Don't pour the whole thing in, because sometimes the bread will absorb. If you want extra, you can always add more, because we have some left over. And then we're gonna sprinkle some cumin and paprika on the top, and this dish is ready to serve. Enjoy.